Hey guys,
Welcome to my video.
today we will be playing. Don't touch the button, I think it's called.
Oh,
I may go to where all the people are going.
perfecto. Lava. Phew.
This game is all about luck.
I feel lucky, so I'll go the same color again.
Yes. I may move. I am so lucky. Ooh. Oh no.
He's magic. Let's not die.
I am so pro.
I regret what I said.
If you're enjoying this, like and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss a vid.
Let's get back to the video.
We're in space.
UMM. How am I surviving without oxygen? It's fun though.
I may jump. Psych. AHHHH. Wow.
It's Crossy Road. Always check both ways.
EZ. I did it.
My turn. Ow.
This bit is boring, so I must speed it up.
Okay, now I talk.
Hole in the wall. One of the classics. Only two. This game is like epic minigames. I may win this. HHHH. I'm a daredevil. I am a rabbit.
But I'm a goat. Ah. That's the end.
Thanks for watching. Bye.